What's up guys, my name's Alex, and in today's video I just want to go over 3 AliExpress alternatives that you guys can use to dropship in 2020, why they're great, the benefits with each, and the actual downsides to each. So let's go ahead and talk about that. Now the reason I bring that up today is because I actually got hit with that famous Shopify payments hold and they needed proof of inventory, but I'm actually waiting on my inventory to come in the mail from the first supplier that we're going to talk about in this video. And then another one of my stores that I actually caught all ads to this week, and I've just been doing Instagram posts and Instagram stories on my branded Instagram page. So this is where we're at so far in the week on there, so not bad. So anyways, let's jump into my computer right now and talk about these 3 alternatives and why they're great. Okay, so the first one we're going to talk about is dhgate, and I use this a lot of times when I'm ordering in bulk. So this website is very similar to AliExpress, and yeah, so if you look on here in flash deals, they have a lot of those similar as the AliExpress homepage. So I'll just go ahead and click on this mask listing for the purpose of this video. So if you look in the actual listing, like I said, this app or this website is very good for ordering in bulk. So if you see you order 300 pieces at 39 cents, but if you actually order more than 5,000, you're getting them for 25 cents. And it doesn't seem like a lot, but it really does add up over time. And then they have the shipping options here, although from what I've experienced, dhgate shipping times are significantly longer than AliExpress unless they offer DHL. So we'll go back to the home page and just click another mask listing. Hopefully this one offers, oh yeah, there you go. So free shipping with DHL will get here anytime between September 12th and September 18th. It's actually the 4th today, so that's really not all that bad, and you just want the fastest times when you're ordering in bulk. And then on here, I've also noticed that a lot of the suppliers are better at responding and getting back to you in a timely manner, and they're usually more honest as well. So it's not as easy to set up and integrate with Shopify as AliExpress can be, but this can also be a cheaper and better alternative if you guys do like to order in bulk. Second one I'm going to talk about is Alibaba. So you guys probably know what this is. They're actually the parent company to AliExpress, and I've talked about them a ton in the past. And Alibaba really is for ordering in bulk. So once you start scaling your Shopify store, when you're drop shipping on AliExpress to start out with, a lot of times you'll actually want to go ahead and order an entire bulk order to someone else's warehouse to manage it for you, to your home to ship orders out yourself. Or really, there's a few different options you can go with that. But with Alibaba, you can go on here. Let's just go on, let's say, laptop stand. I talked about that in a previous video of mine. We'll go ahead, we'll source it on here, we'll click on this one. So as you can see right here, just by going from under 1,000 pieces to over 1,000 pieces, you're already getting a 60-cent price decrease on each product that you're selling. And that doesn't seem like a lot, but like I said, it does add up over time. There's different discounts with each product, so really just go around, try to find the best prices in Alibaba. Also pay attention to the shipping times as well, and just message a few suppliers and try to find the best deals on there. But this is a very great alternative. Okay, so the last one I'm going to talk about I have used in the past. It's called Zendrop. It was rebranded from Silk Road in the past. I'm not actually using it now for any of my stores, but these are the plans for Zendrop. So the free plan offers you 50 orders a month drop shipping, and what they do is they are in charge of sourcing the product, getting you the best shipping times, trying to find you the best prices on these products, and then you can also include some custom branding on your order. So if you actually look at the plans, for $50 a month you get unlimited orders on your store, unlimited imports, all of the benefits from the starter package, but you also get these benefits added in as well. And then if you go on the plus, you get private labeling, coaching calls, support. I've never actually used any of these. Well, I did upgrade to the pro plan when I started scaling my store, but then I ended up going back to Oberlo because I did not like the $50 a month platform fee. But you also can have these orders automatically fulfilled for you, so you actually don't have to go through and fulfill them one by one. So that is very convenient as well. Now, none of the ones that I went over today, I'm not going to say any one is better than the other, but these are 3 great alternatives, 3 that I have used in the past and still currently use. The dhgate and the Alibaba I use for bulk ordering, but I do not actually use Zendrop to fulfill orders, so I just want to clarify with that. So I hope this video was able to help you guys find an alternative to Aliexpress. These are my 3 picks, and I know the ultimate decision maker is really you guys. So if you got anything out of this video, go ahead and drop a like to help me out and subscribe, as there's plenty more to follow. And I also have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. I almost said 3. The first one being a free Instagram page where you guys can find tons of useful content and resources on there to help you out. The second one being a free Facebook group that you guys are welcome to join. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.